Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is perfect Nigerian egg rolls. Egg rolls is a popular Nigerian snack that can be eaten anytime, any day, and it is very easy to make. I am sure you clicked this video to know how I came up with these yummy egg rolls on my thumbnail. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. Yeah, first thing first, let's boil the egg. I have a pot on the heat filled with water already. Now I will carefully add in the eggs. Please make sure you are very careful when doing this so that the egg will not crack, okay? After that, I will cover and allow to boil for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Once the egg are cooked, remove from the heat and add straight to the chilled water to stop the cooking process. And adding the egg in the chilled water immediately will also help the process of peeling. Or may I say, it will be easier for one to peel the egg without sticking, which is in turn is a perfect way of peeling egg. I personally hate egg peels that stick, but in other way around, it is not the fault of the egg, but the fault of the person that boiled the egg. Oh yes, have you liked this video yet? If no, please like the video because it is very important to me. Bear in mind that once I'm done peeling the egg, I will pat the peeled egg dry and set aside for later use. Next is to prepare the dough. In a clean bowl, sieve 2 cups of flour. Please, this is very important. The measurement of all my recipes will be listed at the description box. Please do feel free to check them out, alright? After sieving the flour, next I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg, pinch of salt, which is about 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Please do feel free to use salt and sugar to your preference. There is no problem about that. Once that is done, I'll mix all the dry recipes very well to combine. Please note that you can use any flavor of your choice as well for the dough, but I just wanted that Nigerian local taste of egg roll in those days, which remain original taste of Nigerian egg roll. Do you understand? As you can see, I am done sieving the dry recipes. Next is to mix them until they are well combined. After that, I will add in my wet recipes, of which 2 tablespoons of butter comes in first. After that, I will mix with a clean hands until a crumbling texture is formed. Please do feel free to use any butter of your choice, alright? Once that is done, I will create a hole in the middle of the flour and then crack 1 egg in another bowl to be sure it's not a spoiled egg. This is very important. After that, I will whisk the egg and add it to the flour as well, followed by the milk. And I am using evaporated milk. You can feel free to use any milk of your choice. You can as well use water to replace the milk. There's no problem about that, okay? I'll be adding the milk bit by bit. Please do take note of that because this part is very important. Though the recipes used in this particular video has been measured, but even at that, one has to be very careful when it comes to milk or water for this dough not to be sticky. I will need it a little, not much, because I was taught by my mother in those days that you don't over knead egg roll dough so that it won't come out tough after frying. Alright, once the kneading is done, I will cover the dough with kitchen napkin to rest for at least 12 minutes. Keep watching and do subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to the families and friends and like the video. Please, this is extremely important. This is the milk remaining. I will give you the exact measurement of the one I use on this recipe in the description box below. While the dough is resting, I will preheat some vegetable oil down ready to fry the egg roll. You know, this is deep frying. The oil takes time to preheat, alright? And we are going for deep frying. Oh yes, for this particular recipe, you don't shallow fry egg roll, alright? I am using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. There is no problem about that. This is exactly 12 minutes. I will knead the dough a little, as I earlier said, just inside the bowl. You can decide to transfer it to your work surface. There is no problem about that. After that, I will transfer it to my work surface and sprinkle a little flour if needed to avoid sticking. And then cut into equal sizes of your choice, just like so. But do bear in mind that the quantity of rolls gotten depends on the measurement of flour used. Yes, I got about 6 equal sizes here, but never mind about 1 because I'll be using that to seal up some places that refuses to seal. You know, this pastry making, you have to be very calculative and careful when making your pastry so that you won't mess both yourself and what you are making up. As you can see, my first method, I am using rolling pin, okay, to roll the dough out or to flatten the dough. Once that is carefully done, I'll place one egg at a go and keep sealing the egg with the dough until well sealed. Please remove any excess of dough if there is any. Please make sure you seal it up very well so as to prevent them from not opening up in the oil while frying. Please note, if you notice any crack on the egg roll while frying, it is normal, but opening up entirely in the oil should be avoided by you by sealing it up properly right now. For the second method, I will as well pick up a piece of dough, then roll it like so on my pan, and then process by using my hand to flatten it just like so, and then pick one boiled egg and place right inside the middle of the dough and wrap it up with the dough to make sure it covers the whole egg. Remove any excess if you notice any, just as I said earlier. Once the egg roll are well wrapped, there will be no cause for alarm. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Encourage us by liking this video so that it will go far. Share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment. Thank you so much for watching. Once I'm done wrapping the egg rolls, I will sure get back to you. Yeah, the wrapping is beautifully done. Next is to check the vegetable oil. How to know that the oil is hot enough to accept the egg roll is to throw or drop a little piece of dough in the oil. Once the dough floats with a bubble on top of the oil, you should know that the oil is ready to accept the egg roll. But if the little dough remains down deep the oil, it is not heated yet to accept the egg roll. You can as well use skewer to try if your oil is hot or not. But here, our oil is very much ready. Meanwhile, gently lower the egg roll inside the oil and fry on a medium to low heat to ensure that the egg roll is cooked in and fried out. Alright, please don't overcrowd the pan. This is very important. Please make sure you stir it around from time to time, just as you see me do, and by so doing you are preventing the egg roll from touching the bottom of the pot you are using and then avoiding it from burning. Hope I'm making sense. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have not done so already, and do subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends to encourage us, and drop your beautiful comment as you keep watching. The first batch is ready. As you can see, I place a paper towel in the sieve so that once I remove the egg roll from the oil, I will place them there until they are properly drained. This is very important, and I will repeat the process as well, and this as well is as good as ready. On this junction, virtuous family, our perfect Nigerian egg roll is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, the yummy perfect Nigerian egg roll is ready, as you can see, and I'm very much happy to present it to you. Can you see this particular one? It has a crack. This was a crack I was telling you when I was rolling it. It is normal to have a crack on egg roll. There is no problem about that, for the fact that the egg do not fall off the oil. Now let's cut it to see if it is cooked inside and outside as well. As you can see, it is perfectly fried outside and cooked inside as well. This is so beautiful. You can enjoy this snack with soft drink or fresh juice of your choice, and it can be taken anytime, any day. Oh yes, anytime, any day. And I was inspired to make this video by my precious mother. Try this recipe and you will be happy you did. Give this video a thumbs up if you have not done so already. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.